Welcome students. As a part of the initiative taken by the Directorate of Higher Education, I am here to teach all the topic. Module name is Price Elasticity of Demand, module number 8. I am Sunita Kodkar, Assistant Professor of Economics, Sridhara Kakulo College, Mapsa, Goa. Now, in this unit, we are going to study about the concept of price elasticity, the calculation of price elasticity and the types of price elasticities. After watching this video, you all will understand the concept of price elasticity of demand, you all will understand how to calculate the price elasticity of demand, and you all will also understand the different types of elasticities of demand. Now, what is price elasticity of demand? Now, there are various factors which determine the demand for a commodity. Now, out of these various factors which determine the demand for the commodity, the price of the commodity is the most important factor. So, how that price affect or how much the price affects the demand for the commodity, it is studied by the concept of price elasticity of demand. So, it is a economic measure of the change in quantity demanded or purchased of a product in relation to its price change. Now, the demand for a commodity, it is said to be elastic if the quantity demanded responds substantially to the change in price, and it is said to be inelastic if the quantity demanded responds slightly to the change in price. Then, calculation of price elasticity of demand. Now, for calculating the price elasticity of demand, the formula that is used is ED, that is elasticity of demand, is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded of commodity X divided by percentage change in price of commodity X. Now, mathematically it is written as ED is equal to Q2 minus Q1 divided by Q1 divided by P2 minus P1 divided by P1, where Q1 is the original quantity demanded, Q2 is the new quantity demanded, P1 is the original price level and P2 the new price level. Now, we will try to solve a problem by using the above formula. Now, suppose the quantity demanded of coconuts is initially 800 units at the price of rupees 10 per unit and increases to 1000 units when the price falls to rupees 8 per unit. We have to calculate the price elasticity of demand for coconuts. Now, in the above example, we will first find out all the values. So, here Q1, that is the original quantity demanded, is 800 units. Q2, the new quantity demanded, is 1000 units. P1 is, that is the price, the original price is rupees 10 per unit, and P2, the new price level, is rupees 8 per unit. Now, when we insert all these values in the formula and do the cancellation, the value which we get of price elasticity of demand is 1.25. The different types of elasticities of demand. We have 5 different types of elasticities of demand. First is perfectly elastic demand. Now, when the percentage change in quantity demanded is infinite, even if the percentage change in price is 0, then we can say that the demand is perfectly elastic. It shows endless demand at a given price. So, in this case, the demand curve, it is a straight line parallel to the OX axis. We can see that at price OP, infinite quantity is demanded. The second type of price elasticity of demand is perfectly inelastic demand. Now, in case of perfectly inelastic demand, there is no change produced in the demand for the product with a change in its price. So, whatever may be the price may increase or it may decrease, but the quantity demanded, it remains constant. So, the numerical value of elasticity, it is equal to 0. and the demand curve in this case it is represented as a vertical straight line parallel to the OY axis. We can see here that whatever may be the price may be P1, P2, P3 etc., but the demand remains constant at OQ. So, here the numerical value of elasticity it is equal to 0. Now, example of perfectly inelastic demand is a commodity like salt. So, whatever may be the change in the price of the commodity, that is price of salt, the same quantity will be demanded. The third type of elasticity of demand is relatively elastic demand. Now, when the proportionate change produced in demand is greater than the proportionate change in price of the product, the numerical value it is in this case is greater than 1. Now, in this case we can see the demand curve DD, the original price is P1 at which the quantity demanded is OQ1. There is a slight fall in price from P1 to P2. The quantity demanded we can see it increases to a greater extent from OQ1 to OQ2. Now, in this case we can see that the response to the change in price it is higher. So, in this case the value of elasticity it is greater than 1. Now, example of this type of elasticity of demand is luxury items. Okay. Now, when there is a slight fall in the price of luxury items, we will see that the demand will increase to a very great extent. Then, the next type of elasticity of demand is relatively inelastic demand. Now, relatively inelastic demand is the one when the percentage change produced in demand is less than the percentage change in the price of the product. Now, the demand curve in this case is rapidly sloping and the value of the elasticity in this case is less than 1. Now, mostly this happens in case of necessities. Okay. So, whatever may be the price of the necessities may increase or decrease, but still the people prefer to purchase those commodities. So, the change in the price, increase in price or decrease in price, it does not lead to a big change in quantity demanded. Then the last one is unitary elastic demand. Now, when the proportionate change in price produced is the same as the demand for the product, the demand is referred to as unitary elastic demand. So, numerical value of this type of elasticity it is equal to 1. We can see here that the change in price from P1 to P2 it leads to a equal proportionate change in quantity demanded from Q1 to Q2. So, value of elasticity it is equal to 1. Now, out of these 5 different types of elasticities of demand, okay, only 2 exist in reality, that is relatively elastic demand and relatively inelastic demand. These are my references. Thank you.